So this right here, this is actually our foundation house. It's one of the first greenhouses my father built. It's primarily a wooden structure, but over the years he's reinforced it with metal pipes. We mostly plant tomato in there, but we have quite a bit of tomato in production already. So in the interim, we're using it to rotate some of the greens. So on the inside, we have like mixed lettuce, arugula, kale, and a few tomato plants that were left over from the other houses.
Okay. All right. And how long ago was this?
Long time. Long time, from probably like 2005. That's when it basically started.
Okay.
So that house is probably, that was built around that time. Over the years, it keeps redoing it.
Right, right.
I think the house that was there, Ivan did blow it down and then
Okay.
he fixed it up again.
So tell me about that while we walk. Tell me about the things you have in place in the event of any natural disaster.
We just hope that no natural disaster comes.
Okay. Yeah.
Because one year, when they said there was gonna be a hurricane or a storm,
Right.
we had a house with new peppers, a little bit bigger than the ones that you saw, the younger side down there.
Yeah.
Basically, soon ready to harvest, and they say the storm is going to come.
What?
And we came and we take off the plastic off of the roof, take off the mesh off of the sides, and take off the trellis off of the plants. Right? So if the wind come, they don't batter the plants, right? No, sir, no storm came. And then it was such a challenge to stretch that plastic and put it back on the roof, putting up back the thing and trellising over all of those plants. We lost a lot of branches and stuff. Yeah, so now we just hope and pray so it don't come. We might take off the mesh, but I don't think we're going to go and take off no roof and do all of that work that we did until we're certain that it's coming.
True. Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right, guys, remember this is Miss Deandra Rue. She's giving us a tour of the farm, the greenhouse farm.
So we take the shortcut going and we're taking the long way back.
Oh, this is the
long way.
Okay. Okay.
You'll probably get a better view from down there, but the water from the bottom pond, that's how far the solar pump pumps it to those 5,000 gallon tanks up top.
Oh, the tanks. Okay. Right. Tanks up there. Right. Oh, so everything pumps up there and just gravity feed comes out.
Yeah, from the bottom pond.
Right.
The big one, that's where that water goes.
Okay.
And then the two ponds up top here, we pump to these black drums up here.
Okay.
So this is where the fertilizer is mixed. As I was explaining, we normally have a tank A and B. So this that is the nutrition for like the peppers and the tomatoes, and those smaller tanks, they contain the nutrients for the lettuce and the strawberries. So it's pretty noisy around here, and that's because the mixing tanks, they're working right now. It's feeding fresh water into the tanks, and then it will pull from A and B, right?
Okay.
The desired amount of nutrients. And then when it is mixed, there's a pump on the inside of each drum. When it is mixed, that fertilizer is stored, it's sent around to the holding tanks until watering time.
Okay. So
Alright, so we mix fertilizer every day.
Every day, okay.
Every day, because
Okay.
we use roughly 5,000 to 8,000 gallons depending on what is in production.
Okay.
Yeah, so every day this system is working. Whenever the stock solution tanks are empty, we have to manually mix that in buckets,
right,
and pour the amounts in each tank. Yeah.
Okay.
So that is the only part that's manual. Everything else is automated.
Okay.
So these are the timers which control the irrigation. The houses down there, they have a separate timer, but this timer controls the rest of the farm. It's connected to this pump here.
Okay.
Right? Yeah. So that's that.
Okay. So you said this control the fertigation and everything.
Yeah, it controls when the fertilizer goes to the different areas.
Okay.
So right now it's on off. I need to find out why it's on off, because it's always supposed to be left on auto.
Okay.
Right? So
Okay.
then run program if we had missed a zone, or run single station if, like how they planting lettuce now.
Right.
We can select this. When you put it on run station, you can select whichever zone, whether it's 1, 2, or 3, and then you can input how long you want the water to run for.
Right.
So everything is managed right here. Everything, as I say, well, most things get the same fertilizer, they just get different watering times.
Okay. Okay.
So this building here, no.
It's a nice,
This is
pretty building here.
not totally complete. We have a second section to add to it.
Okay.
It's Quality Harvest Limited. It basically arises out of the need for, well, we needed to, I thought it was important for us to market and distribute our own products.
Right.
Because trust me, working with the middlemen sometimes is very difficult. Not everybody likes to pay on time.
Right.
And that can't be good for any business. Right? So what happens now in the packaging house, we package our produce and we distribute it. Yesterday was packaging, and the bus is out now for delivery.
Okay.
So you can't go in because we don't allow shoes inside.
Okay.
But you can come to the door so you
I can come here.
see. Yeah, we're not
Alright, you see that,
finished.
guys? I am special.
Yeah,
What?
we're not finished.
You know what in here remind
So
me?
we just have like the stainless steel tables and that kind of thing. We have a couple more sinks to install on the bottom because we want to go into like ground provision. Well, we're not going to grow it, we'll purchase it. So
Okay.
we'll have to prep those things.
This
So,
remind me of a lab.
yeah.
Look like a sanitary here. Well clean. Yeah. Alright.
Yep.
And down this section is the sorting
Yeah.
and packaging.
Yeah, it's supposed
Yeah.
to be sorting and grading.
Grading.
Not finished yet, so we're going to install some sinks on the outside, and it's gonna be a flow. We receive the goods here and it exits through this door up here. So you wouldn't utilize the same entrance and exit. So goods enter there, sorted, graded, washed, and then it enters the packaging facility.
Okay. So you told me about the other branch of the company. You told me about that?
That's quality harvest.
Quality harvest.
Yeah. So also started out of the meat. So we have well, I would say it's the farm is lucky.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because we have consultation and infrastructure on one end, and we also control our marketing and distribution.
Okay. Okay, so you're basically doing the entire process here. You're growing and you're doing so. All right, so you have your own brand, right?
Yeah, we have our own brand.
All right. So when I go in the supermarkets, I'll see, what will I see?
You'll see quality harvest.
Quality harvest.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the farm, 2 different businesses. The farm is run by me.
Right.
And then we have shareholders in the other business
I
that deals with the marketing and the distribution.
One day if I can be a shareholder in the future.
Maybe. We'll see.
Okay, okay. All right, Miss D'Angelo, thank you for having me on your farm. And I must say that the farm is we have a wide variety of crops, and in terms of the various techniques and it's like you have something here for everyone. And I am really impressed, and I hope I can come back and basically see other innovations, and especially when the quality harvest section is finished,
Fully up and running,
to see how that operates. So thank you again for having me, and I hope to come back again soon.
All right, you're welcome. It was a pleasure having you.
Hello, now that you're at the end, if this video was beneficial to you, please consider subscribing. To subscribe to my channel, please click the red subscribe button and then click the bell icon beside it so that you will be notified whenever I publish a new video. Thank you.